I am loving the way that you interact and talk and do your training. So just grateful. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Thanks very much.
I've probably spent, I don't know, probably close to $10,000 in the last 12 months trying to find the right mentoring, coaching guide to help do what we need to do. We've got self-discipline. You know, we know the future of what we want, but the gap between us and the future and navigating how we socially interact with people online. And Blair is just like, and of course I make Blair do all the training well ahead of me, and I drop off at about 50% and she's finished everything. But Blair's sort of coming across and sort of saying there are so many awesome tips, tricks that we haven't heard before.
Oh, you made me gonna cry.
Which is awesome. And the other thing we're loving is, and see, I'm very critical because I come from that professional background and I'm a trainer and mentor in my transformation work. So I'm very critical when I'm sitting with, and I love it that you, and it's part of that South African thing too, right? And I love working in South Africa, is on point, keep moving. What's the point? No, it doesn't make sense to me. What are you talking about? You know, like just on it. And I just want to say, I am so grateful for that, Chantal. There are so many trainings where two women get together and have their own little in-jokes or their own little giggle or let people go off in a rant. And it's like, I'm not here to hear about somebody else's rant. So I so appreciate the quality, the style, and on point. So, oh, Blair, you just missed my spiel.
She can watch them the recording. I'm thinking I'm going to use this as a video testimonial because it was so beautifully done.
I was just saying, Blair, I was just giving our gratitude for Chantal and her quality, her style, her on point, and just keeping to the point. We've watched so many American videos.
So many.
Poor Blair, and I make her do them all. I was just saying, Blair, I make you do them all, then I drop out about 50%, but you have to listen to it all.
But we had a discussion this morning about it. It's been really good, and we've actually got some new points that out of the hundreds and millions of videos that I feel like we've watched over the last couple of years, we haven't got some of these tips and advice. So,
oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies. Just made my day. I got goosebumps on top of my goosebumps, so thank you.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. Now, the second point I want to talk about, Chantal, is not today, but I'd like to put the seed in your head